गाइस वेलकम बैक टू मेरे चैनल। और हमें अभी हमारे मेडिकल ऑडिटोरियम में और जा रहे हैं ऑडिटोरियम में। ये हमारे उदय भाई, अखिलेश और हमारे क्लास में सब कुछ भी हैं। तो फ्रेंड्स हम अभी थोड़ा देर में ऑडिटोरियम कुछ प्रोग्राम होने वाला है तो उसमें जाने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग शूज खोलेंगे। यहाँ पे भाई हमारा खोल दिया ऑलरेडी। ऑडिटोरियम हम पहुँच चुके हैं और चलते हैं उसके अंदर, आपको दिखाते हैं ऑडिटोरियम में कैसा है हमारा मेडिकल ऑडिटोरियम। ये रैंडम वीडियो बना रहे हैं हम, फोन पर उड़ते उड़ते बच्चा है। देखिए रहा ऑडिटोरियम, यहाँ पे कुछ प्रोग्राम होने वाला है। सो गाइस मालूम चला है कि यहाँ पे कुछ प्लेसमेंट के लेके कुछ ऐसे ही प्रोग्राम्स होने वाले हैं। तो कोई सर आने वाले हैं और बोलेंगे प्लेसमेंट के बारे में। तो यहाँ पे मैं राजेश अखिलेश राजेश सर, हाउ आर यू सर?
सर फाइन सर।
कहाँ करता है सर?
सर
कॉलेज आवे के बढ़िया तो फाटा रहेगा
भाई दिल्ली आता हूँ भाई, कॉलेज दिल्ली आता हूँ भाई, सुधर गया। फर्स्ट ईयर जैसा नहीं है।
भाई गर्लफ्रेंड से चैटिंग कर रहा है।
नहीं भाई नहीं यार, कमेंट कर रहा है भाई। फर्स्ट ईयर मुझे कोई जानता था भाई, क्लास का कोई नहीं जानता था भाई।
तो अभी मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ हमारा जो भी ऑडिटोरियम का आगे का जो भी मतलब स्टेज है, वहाँ पे जो आगे प्रोग्राम से देने वाले हैं, जो बोलने वाले हैं, मैं दिखाता हूँ पीछे। जैसे देखिए मेरे पूरा का पूरा ऑडिटोरियम, मेडिकल ऑडिटोरियम से हमारा आगे का जो लुक कैसा आएगा। यहाँ पे आके सर जो भी होंगे वो आके बारे में बताएंगे। अभी आए नहीं है, काफ़ी देर से, आधा घंटे से आगे हम लोग बैठे हैं, देख सकते हैं मेडिकल ऑडिटोरियम ही है। तो थोड़ा देर में आई थिंक आएंगे, तो जो भी होगा स्टार्ट तो करेंगे। तब तक सर जो हैं वहाँ पे वो सब कुछ अरेंज कर रहे हैं, सबको बैठा रहे हैं। देखिए वहाँ पे सर है वो।
Having some connectivity will be there. Every day will connectivity will be there. So today is the moon day. So when we looking the moon, it's a wow, what a beautiful moon! Wow, like that we are enjoying the moon. And sometime, oh, can we travel to the moon? That also your thoughts will be go. So today I am very happy to interact and discuss with you. So my name is Ravi Shankar, Director for Center for Mindfulness and Behavior Studies, and we are working Ekagrta. Ekagrta means what? To focus only one. Okay, and today you are coming to Parul University for to study, to update your knowledge, brain, neuro, everything. Who are all ready to learn from your heart and emotion? Can you tell me? Who are all want to learn emotional connectivity, emotional love. This is most important in today's life. Why? Because you don't know what is the love. What is the education of love also you don't know. Because we are all having heart is there. But we don't know where is the heart, how it is working per minute, how many beat, luck, tuck, luck, tuck, luck, tuck. How many minutes also working you don't know. But you are all coming to study for medical, paramedical, everything. Understand one thing. As a brain level you are the master. But in the heart level we are not right teaching in your daily life. That is why when the anger comes, immediately like that. We are throwing anything and we are showing anger. Hey, what you are doing? Bah, 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 like that. At that time what happened? Understand the point? At that time what happened? The anger will make you to mess in your life. But how to align, how to channel the anger. That is the most important. That is why our Ekagrta will teaching to you how to handle your emotion. Next slide. Parul University, she is always giving good, beautiful thoughts from the LinkedIn. So those who are in the LinkedIn, kindly enroll it and you can read about it and it will get more inspiration also. And one thing, mindfulness manifest your destiny. Understand? Your destiny already designed and decided. This is father, this is mother, this is school, this is the Parul University, this is husband, this is wife. You cannot decide your husband and wife. Please understand, underline. Here no boyfriend, no girlfriend, no wife, no husband. Because God already designed whom to do, how to do, when to do. Understand the point? You are not authorized to do designing your destiny. But yes, I I want to win my destiny.
You found the
I
fact
want to
reality
wish my
नहीं है।
destiny. I want to become a strong man in the world. I want to become a greatest doctor in the world. I want to become president. I want to become a successful man and woman. You can design your destiny when you love yourself, when you understand yourself, when you understand your capacity, capable, quantity, quality, everything, measure. And now I am ready to design my fate. Who are all want to design your fate in this group? Who are all want? Wow, great. Okay, ready. I will give simplest formula. Our Ekagrata will teaching to you how to design your own destiny. Understand the point? Next slide. And I need to elevate, understand, all the young generation, 18 years to 26 years, to have the infinitive energy. Infinitive energy of kinetic energy. Matter plus energy is equal to kinetic energy. You have enormous power. You have everything. But how the energy can align and channel. Still today, you are controlling, you are balancing your anger, you are controlling your sexual desire, you are controlling your jealous, you are controlling ego, everything. But one day, boom, damn. Lost होता है. Understand the point? But here the point, how to align and channel your emotion. Our Ekagrata will teaching to you what is the mindfulness meditation, what is the mindfulness walking, and how to mindfulness eating. This is we are teaching to you. Next slide. And this is one of the most important practice. Can you tell me who is your best friend, who is your enemy in your life? Who? Yourself is the best friend and best enemy, but you don't know how. When you get up the early morning, once you open your eyes, you are looking here and there. At that time, your brain is saying, "Hey, do it. Hey, get up early. You want to go to bathroom, dress, time, ho gaya." At that time, your heart is saying, "Hey, what to do? Don't go anywhere. Sleep again." Again. Understand the point? In the get up in the morning itself, your heart and brain is fighting. Understand the point? At the time one ring एक आता है. Hey, what happened? My college is here. Oh, timetable is here. Attendance is here. Oh, exam is here. Understand? This is the starting from your bed itself. Your heart, brain is not coordinating with you. Understand the point? Where is the depression is burning? Where is the tension is coming? Where is the suicidal thought is coming? Because your heart, brain not coordinating with you. When your heart, brain not coordinated, your all the matter will get confused in your life. Can we do one small practice now? Take your right hand. Keep it your left side of your heart. Take your left hand above your head. Take right hand, keep it your left side of your heart, but you check whether you have heart with you or not. Otherwise, you are given to someone else to give 1 year contract or given to someone else. That also you need to check it up. Take your right hand, keep it your left side of your heart. Take your left hand above your head. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Just 2 minutes. Focus your breath. Sit straight. Sit straight. And just today all the young generation doesn't know you are using the sweet words, sweet halwa, sweet ice cream, everything you are consuming, but you are not experienced to the heartbeat of love, tap, love, tap, love, tap. In every minute 72 heartbeat, the breathing is 16 to 15 to 16 breathe. This is your designing your destiny. Understand the point? You can do fun, you can go everywhere, anything you will do, but do with mindfulness, do with consciousness. That is the most important practice in every day. Once you get up in the morning, do this practice. Once you go to the bed before sleeping, you do this practice. So this practice to make clear intention of your life. That is the most important in your daily life. Even daily, every second you need to clarity in your life. Next slide. So this is one small game, and Nimisha will be take care of that game to you.
ताली बजाओ सर।
Hello everyone, how are you all?
Fine,
All
madam.
fine? You had your lunch?
Yes.
Okay, so how many days it has been since you have been in Parul University?
2 year.
How many? 2 days? 2 years? Okay. So how was your experience in these 2 years? How was your journey? Was it full of ups and downs or was it stable and happy? Ups and downs were there.
बहुत बेकार
What did you do when there were ups and downs?
आपसे
You just went through it like a roller coaster ride. But now there is a solution that you can actually go through all those ups and downs in a stable mode. Right? You can face all your life issues being happy and being satisfied and contented. Do you think it is possible to live life like that? When your life throws all kinds of mess on you, but you are still happy and you know how to go ahead with that happiness. Do you think this is possible in nowadays? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
But for that, we just need some training. Okay? So, ours is a center known as Ekagrata. Ekagrata is a Sanskrit term. So, do you know the meaning of Ekagrata? One thing is focus, another thing is awareness. Have you heard the concept of living in the present moment? But how many of you are actually able to be in the present moment? Can you raise your hands? All the time, during the entire 24 hours period. No one is there who is actually able to stay in the present moment. So that is what Ekagrata teaches students. We actually train people how to be in the present moment. Right? Even we are also learning. We have not yet been, able to be present for the entire 24 hours, but we have improved ourselves. Previously, we were undergoing through overthinking. Right? How many of you have experiences that, for example, you're doing any work, but your mind is thinking something else? Can you please raise your hands? How many of you have experienced this? Almost all of us go through this, right? How many of you have experienced this that even though you're not doing anything, still your mind is wandering? It is thinking something. How many of you have experienced this? Almost all of us, right? Now let me ask one question. Has anyone from you received a formal training in your schools how to control your brain and thoughts?
पिटाई.
No one has given this training to us. That is why our brain is actually going out of control. And this is for the first time that in our university we have brought a concept of Ekagrata. And Ekagrata is training students and staff and faculties how to have control over your mind and your thoughts. Okay, so just to experience the concept of Ekagrata, let us play one small activity. Okay, now in this activity there are 3 sets of instructions. So I'll give you instructions set by set and please kindly follow the instructions. Okay, all of you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the first instruction is clap and name. So when I say clap, you have to clap, and when I say name, you have to say your name, not your girlfriend or boyfriend's name. Okay, you have to say your name.
Yours name.
Okay, ready? Okay, clap, 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 name.
Ravi Yadav.
Who is clapping? You don't have to clap. Sorry, you don't have to say the. When I say name, you have to say only your name. You don't have to clap. Okay, and when I say clap, you only have to clap. Okay, let's try. Say down. You have to keep your hands down. Okay, ready? Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, wave, shake. When I say name, you have to clap. When I say up, you have to keep your hands down. When I say down, hands up. Wave, you have to shake. And shake, you have to wave. Very easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Very easy?
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes? Okay, how many of you feel that you'll be able to do it 100% fine? 100% accurate? कितने लोगों को लगता है एकदम सही होने वाला है? And how many of you think कि there are going to be mistakes?
नीचे ही रख.
Good sense of awareness. So shall we start?
Yeah.
Okay, clap.
Nicholas.
Name. This is what actually happens. We all have not still trained our mind not to overthink. That is why it is still overthinking. Okay, what will happen if we train our minds to stop overthinking? Then it will stop doing the overthinking part. So the only thing missing is the training of the mind for the right thing. And that is what we do in Ekagrata. Sir, bahan se please. So now what will happen, for example, you have 100% control over your mind. So what are the benefits you will experience? And what do you mean by 100% control? It means that whenever you want the mind to think, it will think. Whenever you want the mind not to think, it will not think. What will happen if you reach this stage? Can you tell me? What are the benefits? You will have your efficiency improved.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? For example, you kept a book open in front of you and you think that you will be able to complete the chapter in, let's say, 2 hours. Right now, how many time do you take for completing a 2-hour chapter? More than 2 hours? Sometimes the entire day goes in the same chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Why? Because your focus is not there. So, for example, if you are able to control your mind 100%, what will happen is your focus will increase enormously and you will be able to complete your target with full efficiency and at the right amount of time. And then you can also use the excess time in something beneficial for you. Right? And what will also it lead to? It will lead to increased productivity and improvement in your professional life as well as in your personal life. Right? Because you will have so much time left, you can actually give that time to your loved ones and make them happy. So in Ekagrata, what we do is we actually conduct all these things. There are workshops, there are events, all based on self-help, all based on self-improvement. For example, last month we had conducted a session on digital wellness. And in that session, we actually trained the students how to keep away from the addiction of your social media and mobile phones. In the next month, when there will be a person who will be coming and she'll be actually training us to make our aura more positive and how to grow your aura even more, and that too using the meditation techniques. Okay. So next one.
यही तो है.
Next. Okay, there is one experiment. We'll do one challenge. Have you heard of sound therapy? So in sound therapy, what we do actually, which instrument do we use when we conduct sound therapy? So there are Tibetan bowls, which we actually use, and we create sounds by hitting that bowl. Right? So right now I'll play a music of 2 minutes, and in that music there are bells of different pitches. Okay, there are 3 pitches in that particular audio. One is high pitch, medium pitch, and low pitch. So you have to calculate all the number of bells that are actually being run in that audio and tell me the total amount of quantity. मतलब जितनी भी बार वो बेल बज रही है उसको टोटल करके मुझे तुम लोग को बताना है कि टोटल क्या आया. Understood? And then I'll tell you the actual number of the bells. ठीक है? Then we will be able to judge कि तुम्हारा awareness का level क्या है. Okay? Shall we take this challenge?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
तो यहाँ पर हम रोकते हैं वीडियो को, थोड़ा देर फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं.
So I am starting the audio. I'd request you all to please close your eyes. And the actual answer is 24.
What?
Why? What happened? Actually, what happened was the sounds which were of very high pitch, you were able to उसको तो calculate कर ही लिया. You had calculated those sounds. The sounds of medium pitch also you have considered. What about the low pitch sounds? There your mind was not able to stay focused and it wandered, and so you missed those sounds. The actual answer was 24. Okay, so this is what is actually happening with us. We think that we are completely aware, but we are not. And this is a high time to rise up and sense that and work on it. Right? What do you understand from this graph? What is the interpretation of this graph?
Up and downs, the waves goes.
This graph is actually representing the ups and downs of life, and along with that, this is also representing how we face situations. Okay, for example, if there is a situation, for example, somebody came and proposed you, and you also like that person, how you will feel?
Good.
Happy? So that means you will be on higher side of the graph. Right? Now, for example, from the same person, you had a breakup after 4 years. How you will feel? Sad, very low, still be on the bottom side of the graph. So what is that? For example, you sat in an interview and you got selected. What is your feeling? at the
स्टोरी
top
तो
of
तोरा
the
पागल
world,
करे जे
so you are
ये
again
स्टोरी तो
on
तोरा
the high side of the graph. Now that same job
सब स्टोरी
rejected your application and you got rejected from several other jobs also. There you will be emotionally at the lower side of the graph. So this is what is actually happening. We're just going up and down like this. But now is the time that we now need to learn how to remain stable despite of any difficulties which may come in your life. Because that is the truth. Right? How many years are remaining in your degree? 1 year is remaining. How many of you have this guarantee that you will not have any issue in this 1 year? Can you raise your hands?
कौन करे
And how many of you have this guarantee that there are definitely going to be issues in this 1 year? Can you raise your hands? So that means we all are aware that life में problems तो होने ही वाली है, right? But how do we face it is important. Okay? So when you come to Ekagrata, will actually help you to learn the skills of how to navigate life, difficulties and challenges, remaining stable. Okay, just like in that graph, towards the end of the graph बनाएंगे। इससे पहले वाली। हाँ। Can you see towards the end of the graph is actually coming to become stable. So that is what our target should be in life. How to face difficulties, remaining stable and neutral, right? And that is what you will get to be trained when you come to Ekagrata. Now the point is how to join Ekagrata. So there are, next slide please. There are two options in which you can join Ekagrata. First one is, next. Huh. This is our WhatsApp group. In this WhatsApp group, actually all those students who are interested in self-help, self-growth, and they want to take or they want to increase their energy levels, they want to improve their aura, have actually joined this group.
Aura.
And what we do is in this group we share daily self-help and inspirational messages. Now this is the second group. The first group is filled. So we have started this new group. उसमें already we have 1,000 students with us. ये नया group है. So if any one of you is interested in self-growth, self-help, please join the group. And those of you who are not yet targeted on your self-help and self-growth, please don't join it because then you'll get bored of the messages that we are posting. So the messages are only for those people who want to grow themselves. So I'm leaving this slide open for 1 minute. Those of you who are interested can scan the code and join the group.
भाई ज्वाइन करो
And in this group there will be notifications from the college. This is free of cost initiative which you can actually consider taking and working on yourself. Because the life after that is going to be more challenging. Right now is the most easiest phase of your life. After this, तुम लोग की शादी होने वाली, you will be going and getting jobs, which is very challenging. So train yourself till the time you are in college and do that free of cost. And we are here for you. Okay? So I request all of you to please fill this feedback form. And those of you who are interested to join us as a volunteer, just select yes. And we will then add you in a separate group of volunteers from where you will be getting all the notifications of the modules that are going to be conducted in Ekagrata. Okay? So kindly fill the feedback form. Please scan it. And those who don't want to join as volunteers, just select no and will not.
Library. In the scope cell, we are conducting mindful meditation for just 15-20 minutes also. So those who are hostelers or those who are coming in this 9 to 5 also, you can join such type of session also. I already told you, those who are foreign nationalities from African country, Bhutan, everything, maximum you are staying nearly minimum 3-4 years you are staying here only. So you cannot see your feelings, emotion from father, mother, brother, sister, culture, food, everything. But at the same time, our Ekagrata will fill up the gaps in your life to emotionally connecting with you. But at the same time, the emotion convert to manifestation in your life. Already told you, you can design your destiny as per your coordinate between heart and brain. So thank you very much and really praying to all the happiness, harmony, peace, everything. And today, what you go to sleep, you need to get sound sleep without sound. And sleep well and happy harmony. Thank you very much. Namaskar.
थैंक यू सर
देयर इज मेडिटेशन सेशन अपने यहाँ पे होता है फ्रॉम 11:45 to 12:15 डेली होता है. तो तुम लोगों में से कोई ऐसा है जो मेडिटेशन सीखना चाहता है और खुद में वो रेगुलरिटी लाना चाहता है? बिकॉज वी ऑल वांट टू लर्न मेडिटेशन एंड मेक इट अ हैबिट बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू डू इट. तो अपने यहाँ पे हो रहा है, हर रोज हो रहा है मेडिटेशन. तो कोई भी आना चाहे यू कैन कम एंड विजिट अस. यू वांट टू आस्क समथिंग? ओके, एनी क्वेश्चंस? So all the best everyone.
यस मैम.
11:45 to 12:15 in medical library.
टाइम ही नहीं.
ठीक है? Sorry. It is on first floor. When you come to library ना, just come to the scope cell on ground level. वहाँ से we will direct you. Where is the meditation? Okay? चलो, thank you everyone and all the best. Consider growing yourself before you leave the. Okay? चलो, bye.
बाय बाय. ब्लॉग खत्म होगा. आज का सेशन जो था खत्म हुआ, देख सकते हैं मेरे साथ. थैंक्स.